In the previous episode, we explored together some of the craziest moments of animals fighting. Today we'll continue, guys, but with a little difference from the previous episode. Today we'll look at the battles of reptiles. Keep watching for our top 100 moments of crazy animal fights. Cobras fight. At first glance, I thought that these two snakes entwined were doing what husband and wife do, but in fact they are two male snakes. They do not use their mouths to bite because they are immune to their own venom. Instead, they press the opponent's head into the ground. Victory will grant the right to spawn, and much more. Komodo dragon fighting. Like small lizards, Komodos stand up to fight and use their tails for balance. Venom can't be used in this case, so the only way to defeat the opponent is strength. Cobra versus mongoose. A predator with first-class venom, but unfortunately, it encounters a talented snake hunter. Mongooses are immune to snake venom, so what is needed to win is intelligence. Crocodile attacks giant lizard. His intention was to go down to the swamp to bathe and get a fish to eat. Unfortunately, he encountered a crocodile. With the acumen and inherent hunting skill of their ancestors, the crocodile easily approaches and grabs the monitor lizard without losing any strength. In the end, the monitor somehow managed to escape from the crocodile's fangs, but the wound on his body was quite severe. Mongoose versus black mamba. Far behind the cobra in terms of poison carried in the body, the black mamba is no match for the mongoose. Consecutive attacks from the snake hunter is enough to quickly defeat the 2-meter-long prey. Rattlesnake versus roadrunner. Rattlesnakes have one of the most recognizable features, having a tail that always rings like a bell when in danger. This is a familiar confrontation with the skilled snake-hunting roadrunner. She uses her beak to grab her opponent and then repeatedly slams the snake down on a standing rock until it is dead. A sandcat versus a snake. Wandering in the arid desert, the cat accidentally encounters a familiar prey. Not a big opponent, but she still needs to be careful. The snake is quite aggressive. After using her skills for a while, the sandcat has her food for the night. Komodo dragon versus wild boar. Having spent venom on the wild boar a few days before, the Komodo dragon has smelled the dead body. Approaching his meal, he happily enjoys it, slowly, without rushing. Fighting crocodiles. Lying in the sun, the two warriors rush at each other and begin to bite horribly. Surely these two cold-blooded reptiles do not want to share their territory with others. Python and leopards. The python strongly resisted the leopard, but unfortunately, it had encountered a professional underwater hunter. King cobra fights snake-eating kite. A skilled snake-hunting bird is preparing to face the snake king. The king of snakes is not an entirely accurate name. When facing a mongoose or this hunter, they are always defeated. A python's clash with dead prey. It takes a lot of time to crush the prey, but when the python is trying to swallow its meal, it accidentally makes a fatal mistake. The prey's horn has gone through the python's mouth, and now it is in pain, trying to get out of this incident. Black crocodiles fighting. Two warriors are reaching reproductive age. They need to fight it out to choose the winner who will be allowed to breed with their children. The tail is a favorite way to attack its own kind. Python versus leopard. Accidentally encountering this strange animal, the leopard intends to eat this giant python alive. But then, the leopard is caught in a trap, and it takes a lot of strength to get out.